Hello friends, welcome to CodeCham. In this class, I'm going to tell you photo editing with the help of Inshot. As you can see, I have mentioned here Inshot. For example, you have one picture and you want to convert it in video. So how you can do this? For this, I will click on this video option, click on this new option. After that, take photos, whatever you want. Suppose I want to take only one picture. If you want, you can take more than one also. Right now, I'm taking one. Click on this take option. After that, this photo will come here. Click on this canvas. You can set the picture as per your requirement for TikTok, for YouTube, for Instagram. I want to use it for YouTube banner or Instagram. So I'm choosing Instagram here. If you want to apply any background, you can apply the background here. It will make it blur. Otherwise, you can also choose the color if you like, but I like this blur one, so I'm taking this. Click on this tick option. After that, you can also add here some audio. Go to the music. It will show you some import. You can also import the music if you have already. Otherwise, you can already, many musics are here. It's already good. I'm just taking this relax one and I'm taking this peachy.
And I'm not sharing my
Click on this.
story. Called her.
Let me stop it. After that, it will be download. Click here on the use option. Now you can see my music is here. It is going till the end. So how much you want, you can just choose till there. You can also move it from here to here. After that, click on the stick option. The music has applied here. If you want some effects, you can also use the effects here, whatever you like. Many good effects are here, as you can see. Here, I just want to use this type of effect. Then you can use these effects on it and click here on the stick option. Now let me play it. It will come. Yes. Now you can see you have only one picture that has converted in GIF with video. If you want to attach more, then just place your mouse here. This is the white line that is known as the timeline. Click here on this timeline option and here if you want to add more image, then click on it. Take video and photo, whatever you want. I just want to take one more picture, so I'm taking this. I have taken the second poster. That has come here. Now here I just want to use you can also use the pip. Pip means you can add one more picture in it. Okay. So right now I'm just clicking on this pip option and in this pip option, I just want to add one more image that I'm taking it from here. Suppose I just want to set my this image here. So you can resize it and you can set it in place of this. It is known as pip. So you can overlayer of your image with the help of this option. Right now, I don't want it, so I'm going to delete it. This is the pip option. Next option is the duration. It will show the duration that it will come for 5 seconds, 6 seconds, or 8 seconds. I'm taking it for 4.6 seconds only. And after that, this is the effect. Whatever effect you want, you can use here as I have already used it there. You can use adjustment, lightness, contrast, warmth, saturation for making your image dark and light like this. So whatever you want, you can choose here. After doing setting, you can just click here on the tick option. One more option is there, that is AI effect. You can use AI effect. You can use simple effect like it is zoom in, zoom out like this. This is wiggling like this. This is glitch, noise. So this is your choice. I'm not telling you to do use all the options, but you can use any one. If you don't want, then just click on this original one, then it will keep original. So now I'm going to play it. This is the effect with music. After that, my second poster will come and then it will also look something like this. Like this, you can use many. I have showed you with two images, you can use many images. One more thing I want to tell you. Let me click on this tick option. Suppose here I want to take my own image. So let click on this plus option, click on this photo. This is a different from that. Suppose I'm going to take here one image. I'm taking my image only. Okay, my image is here. Now I just want to set this image. So I'm using here the pip option. In this pip option, I'm using my one more image. Means I just want to set my images only. So right now I'm taking my daughter image. So I'm just keeping it here. You can create the frame as I'm doing. Okay, this is the pip option. If you will click on this edit option, you can also apply the background. Which type of background, which type of border you want. You can set the duration, you can set the filter. If you want, you can apply the animation, like it will be something like this. In combo, in loop, anything you can use. Crop, you can crop it. In the cutout, you can cut the picture. If you want to cut the background and mask is the superb option. With the help of the mask, you can set the filter. You can set the frame as per your choice. As I'm taking this filter, heart shape. Now you can see I'm just moving it from here to here. That is the poster one, but this is my real image. And with this, you can see the animation has come. So with the help of the mask option, you can use this speed. You can set the speed like how much you want. Suppose I'm taking it for 6 seconds. Now this video will come, means this picture will come till 6 seconds. If you don't like it, with the help of replace option, you can change the image in any other one. Okay. And again, I'm telling you with the help of this cutout option, you can cut the background. As you can see now, background has cut it down. Now, if I will make the picture big, with the help of this, you can make your picture big and you can set it here. Now you can give the good effect to your picture. You can use any type of effect with this. This is also the part I have applied here mask option. So that's why this circle has come. If you don't like, if you are using this type of thing, then no need to use the mask one. Okay. So just I'm going to delete this one, clicking on that. So I hope this option is completely clear for you that how you can add two posters with music and animation and how you can give the good effect in your own picture. Okay, so in this video I have told you all rest. We will do in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.